Welcome to the Shooting Lab VR Setup Guide. Get ready to elevate your VR training. First, let's install the app. Just go to the Meta Store on your Quest, search Shooting Lab VR, and hit download. That's it. Now for the hardware. Securely attach the rail to your Wonderfitter using the hex screw. Then, fasten the VR mount to the rail. Finally, insert your right VR controller into the mount. This is the most important part. Turn on system location in headset settings first. Then you must allow precise location and nearby device permissions when prompted. Do not manually pair the device in Quest settings. Instead, inside the app, click Connect. Then, remove the magazine. Hold its power button for 3 seconds until the green light flashes. Once the light stays solid and you see connected, reinsert the magazine. You're all set. The virtual controller will now match your firearm. Join our community. Follow our website and social media to explore the latest features and connect with fellow players.